Seniors, stop using retinol wrong. 7 must-know tips for youthful skin. We're going to talk about something very important for your skin. It's called retinol, and it can help make your skin look younger. Retinol is like a superhero for your skin. If you're not using it, you're missing out. But retinol can be tricky. Lots of people have trouble using it because their skin gets red and flaky. This makes them stop using it, which is a shame. Today, we'll learn how to use retinol the right way. After this, you'll know how to use retinol without problems and get the beautiful skin you want. Let's start. All right, so let's start with the do's. Number 1, let's talk about skincare, especially for those of us with a bit more life experience. The key to success is to start slow. Skincare is not a quick fix. It's a gradual process, more like a lifestyle change. Think of it as something that works quietly in the background, gradually improving your skin and helping to prevent and even reverse some signs of aging. Now, if you've ever tried retinol, you might have noticed your skin getting red or irritated. That's a common reaction, and many people give up at that point, thinking retinol isn't for them. But here's the secret. It's all about how you start. Begin with a low concentration. The lower, the better when you're just starting. If your skin is still sensitive, use it just twice a week, then slowly increase it to 3 times a week, and eventually aim for every day. Some people find that 5 times a week is enough, but if your skin can handle it, daily use is ideal. Interestingly, even low concentrations of retinol can be effective if used regularly. Products that release retinol slowly over time can help reduce those initial reactions. For example, in a product like Trifecta Illuminate, the retinol is microdosed, used in both the morning and evening. So your skin receives a small, steady amount rather than being overwhelmed all at once. If you're looking for a retinol product, consider one that's labeled as time-released or slow-release. These are gentler on the skin, helping it to adjust without the irritation that often comes with stronger doses. Starting with a concentration of 0.01% to 0.03% is a good idea. This is a light dose that still provides benefits, allowing your skin to get used to the retinol. Over time, you can increase the concentration if your skin tolerates it well, with advanced users sometimes going up to 0.2% or even 1%. But remember, it's not about how high the concentration is, it's about consistency. Think of using retinol as exercise. You don't need to go all out every day to see benefits. Just like how even a few minutes of daily exercise can make a big difference, using retinol regularly, even at lower doses, can have a powerful impact on your skin over time. So don't stress about the numbers. Just make it part of your routine and let it work its magic. Number 2, make sure to use retinol at night. Typically, when you pick up a regular retinol product, whether from a store or your dermatologist, it's meant to be applied before bedtime. The reason is simple. Retinol is sensitive to light. If you apply it before going out, exposure to light can deactivate it, reducing its effectiveness. Plus, sunlight can make your skin more sensitive when using retinol, which can worsen any irritation. So, as a general rule, applying retinol at night is safer and gentler on your skin. Now, if you're using or considering Trifecta, you might wonder about the advice to use retinol at night only. Trifecta is a bit different because it has a split dosing routine, meaning you use it both in the morning and at night. This is okay because Trifecta's retinol is released slowly and in small doses. It's designed to be used throughout the day without causing the issues that regular retinol might. The goal with Trifecta is to get a steady dose of retinol over 24 hours, so there's no need to worry about when you apply it, whether in the morning or at night. Number 3, always use retinol with a moisturizer. Retinol can dry out your skin, so pairing it with a hyaluronic acid-based moisturizer that attracts and locks in moisture is crucial. Some people talk about the retinol sandwich method, where you apply a layer of moisturizer, wait 5 to 10 minutes, then apply retinol, and finish with another layer of moisturizer. This extra moisture can help your skin tolerate retinol better. However, you don't need to go through all that. Just wait 5 or 10 minutes after applying retinol, then apply a good moisturizer. Your skin will be less dry and more comfortable. By the way, the Illuminate product already contains hyaluronic acid, so you don't need a separate step for moisturizing. It's built right in. Number 4, always use sun protection. I can't stress this enough. If you're serious about skincare and preventing aging, you must protect your skin from the sun. There's no point in using retinol or any other anti-aging products if you're not also protecting your skin from the sun, because sun exposure will accelerate aging faster than any product can reverse it. Since retinol can make your skin more sensitive to UV light, it's essential to use a broad-spectrum sunscreen that blocks both UVA and UVB rays. I recommend mineral-based sunscreens with zinc or titanium oxide. These provide excellent protection. While other countries, like those in Europe, may have more advanced sunscreens, the key is to ensure you're using a good broad-spectrum sunblock to shield your skin from the sun's harmful effects. Number 5, stay consistent. Remember, slow and steady wins the race. Consistency is key to success in so many areas of life, and it's especially true when using retinol. Studies show that those who use it consistently over many years see their skin continuously improving. Don't just use it for a month or two and then stop. Keep it in your routine. You'll be doing yourself a huge favor. Number 6, be patient. We live in a world where we want instant results, but skincare doesn't work that way. It's a gradual process, and you need to be patient. It may take at least 3 months before you start to see the full effects of retinol. In our studies with Trifecta, some changes were noticeable after 1 month, and by 2 months, those changes were more apparent. At 3 months, the improvements are even better. I've seen people who have used it for over a year, and their skin keeps getting better. So stay patient and consistent to get the results you want. Number 7, use it around your eyes. You don't need a separate eye cream. Retinol works wonders for the delicate skin around your eyes. Apply it under your lids, along the bone under your eyes, and even on your eyelids. The skin in these areas is thinner and can become crepey over time. So using retinol to stimulate collagen and thicken the skin is a big benefit. Just a little bit of retinol in these areas can make a significant difference. If you prefer to use an eye cream, that's fine, but retinol itself is great for the skin around your eyes. All right, so let's discuss a few don'ts. Don't number 1, if you're not using a time-released or slow-acting retinol, though many brands are now offering these options, then definitely avoid using it in the morning. For the reasons we've discussed, it's much better to apply regular retinol at night. Number 2, many retinol products don't mix well with other skincare ingredients like vitamin C, glycolic acid, or benzoyl peroxide. Be cautious when combining retinol from one brand with a vitamin C product from another, as they can often cause harsh reactions on your skin. As a general rule, it's best not to mix retinol and vitamin C together. However, vitamin C is a powerful and beneficial ingredient that you should definitely include in your routine. If you're not using a product like Trifecta, one way around this is to use vitamin C in the daytime and retinol at night, or alternate them on different nights. This way, you still get the benefits of both without the irritation. We've taken all of this into account when designing our product, so our vitamin C and retinol can be used together, both in the morning and at night, without any issues. This eliminates the confusion about what to use and when. But as a general rule, unless your products are specifically designed to work together, it's best to avoid using vitamin C and retinol at the same time. Number 3, don't use retinol if you're pregnant. It's not worth the risk during this special time. Most OB/GYNs would agree that it's best to avoid using retinol or Retin-A while you're expecting. The safety of your baby comes first, so it's important to steer clear of anything that might pose a risk. I strongly suggest talking to your OB/GYN before applying any active ingredients to your skin during pregnancy. Even though retinol can be a wonderful skincare ingredient, it's better to be safe than sorry during these months. Number 4, don't use retinol if you're planning to have a laser treatment, waxing, a chemical peel, or any other procedure on your skin. It's crucial to stop using retinol at least 3 days before your treatment. Your skin can become more sensitive when using retinol, so it's important to let it rest before undergoing any kind of intense treatment. Always talk to the professional performing your procedure to confirm how many days they want you to stop using retinol. But as a general rule, pausing retinol use for a few days before and after these treatments helps avoid unnecessary irritation and gives your skin time to recover. Number 5, don't overdo it with retinol. You don't need to use a lot for it to be effective. It's easy to fall into the trap of thinking that more is better, but when it comes to retinol, too much can lead to irritation, dryness, and other complications. Always follow the directions on the product label, and if you're unsure, it's better to use less rather than more. Even a small amount applied consistently is better than using a large amount once or twice a week. Retinol works by gradually stimulating your skin cells, and that requires regular use. If you only apply it once or twice a week, it's not enough to see significant improvements. So even if you can only handle a tiny bit, using it regularly will help your skin adjust and start reaping the benefits. And finally, don't give up on retinol too quickly. It's common for people, including many of my patients, to start using retinol and then quit after just a week or two because they find it too harsh or intense. It's important to understand that your skin might go through an adjustment phase where it gets red, inflamed, or looks worse before it starts to improve. This is a normal part of the process. The key is to push through this initial phase. Usually, within 2 weeks, your skin will start to acclimate, and once it does, you'll see the benefits. Remember, every time you stop using retinol, whether for a procedure or because you're taking a break, you may have to go through that adjustment phase again when you start back up. So be patient and stick with it, knowing that consistency will pay off in the long run. I hope this information has helped understand retinol and how to incorporate it into your skincare routine. It's a powerful ingredient that can make a real difference in the appearance of your skin, but it's important to use it correctly to avoid irritation and maximize its benefits. Remember, everyone's skin is different, so it may take some experimentation to find the right retinol product and routine for you. Be patient and consistent, and don't be afraid to consult with a dermatologist if you have any concerns. Sharing your newfound knowledge about retinol with friends and family is a wonderful way to help others achieve their skin goals. By spreading the word, you can empower others to make informed decisions about their skincare and enjoy the benefits of retinol for themselves.